The all-new iPad Pro has arrived, packed with incredible updates that redefine what a tablet can do. Let's explore 5 standout features that make it a must-have for professionals and creators alike. Number 1. M for Chip with Apple Intelligence. The iPad Pro is powered by Apple's M for Chip, delivering exceptional performance and advanced AI capabilities, making it suitable for demanding tasks and professional applications. Number 2. Ultra Retina XDR display. Featuring a groundbreaking OLED display, the iPad Pro offers extreme brightness, precise contrast, and advanced technologies like ProMotion and True Tone, providing a superior visual experience. Number 3. Sleek and lightweight design. With a thickness of just 5.1 millimeters, the new iPad Pro is Apple's thinnest device to date, enhancing portability without compromising on performance. Number 4. Apple Pencil Pro support. The iPad Pro supports the new Apple Pencil Pro, which includes features like squeeze gestures, barrel roll detection, and haptic feedback, offering an intuitive and precise tool for creatives. Number 5. Enhanced connectivity. Equipped with Thunderbolt and USB for support, the iPad Pro offers data transfer speeds up to 40 Gbps, allowing for seamless connection to a wide range of high-performance accessories. The all-new iPad Pro is truly a game-changer, blending power, innovation, and creativity in one sleek device. Which feature excites you the most? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest tech.